Hey Carmen, my name's Max. I was just on the phone with Jessie and she said you would be the one to watch this video. Um, all I ask in return is just for a little bit of feedback from the video. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. That being said, let's jump right in. So generally I would have your website pulled up and I would kind of break down your website to show you the three main things that you can do in order to start ranking in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your customers each month. And I know that these terms are being searched each month because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that just that one term gets 300 searches and that there's other terms that sum up to 620 searches every month. However, I'm not really able to find your website here. I saw where I found this, but so in return I'm just gonna use your competitor here, and I'm just gonna break down theirs to show you how easy it would be for you guys to build and rank a website over your competitor. So just kind of show you the value here. There's 620 searches every month. And so even if you're just ranking in this organic listing, you're still going to be able to bring in about 20% of that. So that's 124 people on your website every month. And a well-built website converts about 40% of those into calls. So that's an additional just about 50 calls every month. And so even if you're only closing about 50% of the jobs that you go to, that's still 24 to 25 new jobs a month. And I don't really know what your profit margin is. But let's just say an average of $300 per job. There you are. That's $7,400 just right here in this organic listing. So I'm going to break down ProCraft just to show you how easy it would be. And the first thing is content on the home page. So if we just copy all of their material here, including the images and what they're saved as, throw it into this word counter, you can see that they only have 296 words on their home page. And Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. Sorry, my phone thought I was talking to it. But Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And the reason for that is that Google looks at your website as a contributing factor to their platform. And so the bigger your website is, the bigger their platform gets. And they'll reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. So if you had 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage and you targeted these exact key terms, you could easily outrank your competitor here because they only have 296 words. The second thing that I wanted to show you is backlinks. And really all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. So if we take their URL here and we throw it into Ahrefs, this shows me the back end of their page. As you can see, they have 106 links coming from 58 websites. And so, kind of this right here is really what these links are looking like. It goes to the home page of your website. So if I were you, I would take this link and start putting it on like plumbing blog posts or home improvement websites. And that's going to help your health rating go higher than them here, because they have a ton of links coming from just a few websites. And what that does is it shows a lot of spamminess. Only 60% of their links are actually passing power. And so Google kind of doesn't really trust their links that much. The third and final thing that I'm going to show you is citations. And really all a citation is a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, Facebook, or BBB. And what that does is it verifies that you are a real business with a real physical address and that you're not just another website out here on the internet. And then once you get that verified, and then once you get more citations than them, you'll start ranking in this map pack, which gets about 25% more clicks than these organic listings down here do. So 25% more clicks is 25% more calls, which is 25% more customers in your door each month. So that's really all that I have for you today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. All I ask is just for a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092.